What's up, guys? I'm back with another video, and today we're gonna go to here in Grandview. We're gonna go to yard sales, and then right after we're done with the yard sales and stuff like that, we're gonna go home. I'm gonna watch the Accord because tomorrow there's gonna be a car show up in Yakima, so I gotta go get the Accord ready. And I'm actually gonna be meeting up with the team that I'm in, so I guess I'll just catch you guys when I get home and I'm washing the Accord. So I ended up washing up the Accord. I forgot to record everything, but later I will do a little quick walk around just so you guys can see the Accord cleaned up. And then I just gotta clean up the interior, so I'll show you guys when I finish cleaning the interior. So I'm just gassing up the Accord right now to be ready for the show tomorrow. So, and like I said, I was gonna do a video, but I forgot. But I'll just catch you guys tomorrow at the show when I meet up with the team, and probably once we're inside. So we're on our way to Yakima right now. We're gonna meet up at Fiesta Food with the team. Got the Accord. Finally put my format in that I've had for a while. But I'll just catch you guys once we get closer or once we pull up. So we just made it to Yakima. We're about 5 minutes away. We're about to go meet up with the team. So, all right, guys. So we just pulled in. You can see the squad right here, ready. So we just pulled up to the show. We're all in line. Some of the homies are inside already. But you see all the cars, and there should be way more up inside. Alright, guys, so we just made it to the show. You guys can see the team lining up, getting ready. Alright, guys, so we just made it in. I'm back at the homies hatch, and this thing's super clean. Interior. Honestly, he inspired me to build my Honda, bro. My hatch. And this thing's so clean. Look at that. This one is too. And this is paint. It's not wrap, it's actual paint. And I believe this is the guy that hosted the show. And there. Graveyard. I'm not sure what this guy's name is. Drove from Tri-Cities this way. That's like, you know, this is how you drive. I'm not sure if he's back. It might be static, but I think it's pretty clean. Pretty good turnout. There's more cars over there, but I'm not really trying to go that far. This Honda Accord's clean. I'm glad to see another one. Sidebar, I mean, super clean Honda Accord. So this is a homies Type R. walk around on the. This is pretty clean.
Ay, que ahí está bien, ¿eh? ¿No un poquito con Lorenzo? ¿Contigo sin dale, Lorenzo? Contigo, sí, dale. Ahí está bien. ¿El de la pistola no toca la pistola de calor?
Just went to go get some nachos for me and my girl. Got the whole team. They even brought the benches that they weren't using, so we brought them this way so we could all chill together and just vibe. Yeah, check this out. Super clean. Damn, this thing's super clean. And then I believe this is for the AC. They just put ice in here. If I'm right, I could be wrong, but I believe that's what it is. And then here's just, so basically this was the before. That was the before, and this is the after. SRT8, the Hellcat, Dodge SRT, and then the Mercedes. Actually, I think this is just paint. It's not even wrap. Shout out bro for recording the chord. I'm not sure who it is, but shout out bro. Yeah, me and my girl and the baby are inside because I ain't gonna lie, it's pretty cold out there. Just don't feel like being outside in the wind. But shout out bro for real.
We see you guys walking all the time, you're bugging us, bro. She's like, you fucking watching, bro. No, I'm not done, actually. I'm fucking mad. What are you gonna do about it? You ain't gonna do shit about it.
Alright guys, in that last clip, you could see the security fighting with one of the members for no reason, to be honest, just to carry him. But this is the lineup with the team. Pretty good event. Might leave early. Probably won't stick around for the trophies and stuff, but let's just see what happens and I'll keep you guys on video. Alright, so we ended up leaving pretty early just because we have the bowl like in an hour and a half. I'm not sure if I won anything just because I left early, but hopefully the team wins something. But so this will probably be the end of the vlog. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Laters.